Hello guys, and welcome to a video. Today we're going to do some airsofting. We just got a new mask and new Gopro. So I'm going somewhere. Oh, my backpack's so loose. Okay, there we go. Tighten it and tighten it. Okay, so guys, we're gonna do some airsofting. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're just gonna do some stuff. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go in that field way over there. Oh, I can hear my BBs. Okay. On the road now. This helmet I have here is pretty sick. I got it for like, I don't know, 35 bucks. And if you live in Canada, I got it at Canadian Tire. Regular price was like about like 100 bucks. But yeah. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna stop here. Take off this. Okay, I figured out all my stuff. So here. Oh, this grass is hard. Okay, so we're gonna get gun over here. Put all the BBs in. I just got, so these black ones, they're a little bit thicker than these red ones. They're actually really good bullets. They don't jam up. They don't jam up in guns because, like, usually like in pump guns, like where you like pull back the trigger. Like usually like they get jammed or something sometimes. But whoever has a pump, please leave a comment in the description. Is yours good or is yours bad? Okay, funnel works pretty good. Oh, just wait. No, I could probably put like 2 more in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. It puts 4. Okay. Oh god, damn. Too much bullets in. I'm gonna move them off. Too much bullets. God. Okay, so I'm shooting some stuff. Oh, I didn't see that. Holy God. I see that. Can't really see anything, but when I look at it, oh, my mask is so dirty. Should I have my friend over here? Because we had to like shoot each other. Pretty fun. Okay, so guys, this is if you can see, this is Cyber Gun. Automatic safety. Maintain the button pressed frontward to enable shooting. So that's pretty awesome. But the thing I don't like is this thing. This gun, it's a mini UZI. It actually holds lots of bullets, but it eats bullets like crazy. Oh, that one glided high. Okay, so we're gonna go here. I can't really see the bullets now. Oh, there we go. Okay. Saving the bullets now. Okay. So we're gonna go over here. The line's right there. Last time my friend and me were out here, I shot him like right here, and I shot him right through that tree, like right in the middle, and I shot him like right in the mask. And guys, leave the like in the description. Please subscribe, and yeah, you can, I really like the black bullets because you can see them. Holy God! If you can compare to the black bullets, they just glide like not even an arc. They just go straight. And the red bullets, they like go straight, then they go up. Fuck. Oh, black one, red one, red one, red one, red one, red one. Lots of red ones. Okay. Okay, so we don't need to reload it now. So this weekend, guys, me and Rowan Artifacts, we're gonna be doing some vlogs. So yeah. So guys, this is a really good gun. You can see right here. It has like armpit holders. Holy, the wind. It looks like it's not windy at all, but it's like cold at the same time. But like, I got shot with a airsoft right there and there. My sister shot me right there, if you could see it, but you probably can't. Right there, it hurt. But it hurts when you get shot in the back of the leg. Oh, barely any bullets left. Those red bullets really go high. Guys, please like and subscribe. I might have another friend over. No bullets left, and nice. Okay, so we're gonna reload. Oh, I found a bullet. Another one. That's it. Okay, so these in. Oh, someone dropped. One dropped right there. You guys probably can't see because my GoPro's not adjusted. It's probably like straight down. I'm just gonna put a couple BBs in there first. Now, because I'm gonna end this video shortly. So guys, it shoots pretty far. Oh, that one skinned me. Oh, that burned. Okay, I put like my finger like right on front and I shot it. Better watch out, guys, though. You could just, like, the best time to play Airsoft is when you don't have any. What's that? Probably like car like sound or something. Car probably squeaking his tires. And but yeah, this gun shoots pretty far. Probably shoots like 145 yards with the red bullets, so 130 yards from here. And you could see that if you could, when I shoot the red ones, they just curl off. They like go straight.